Welcome back to the TechMoto channel. In this video we will be installing a code editor. You can code in any text editor, like Notepad, Word or Pages, but they do not have the functionality of an IDE, or an integrated development environment. An IDE combines common developer tools into one single, user interface. In this video we will show you our favorite IDE, but there are many to choose from. Our chosen IDE is Atom. To install Atom, go to your preferred browser, type in Atom IDE as a search, or go to atom.io. You will see a page like this. Simply click on the download button, then follow the instructions in the installation wizard. Atom is installed, and we can open it like any other program. On the left-hand side you have a file tree, so you can access your files. In the middle is your project window, where you will write code. When you first open Atom, you will have several welcome windows open. The first thing we want to do is install a package, so that we can run Python programs. On the right-hand side, click on Install the package. Then click on Open Installer. In the search bar search for Atom, Python, Run. The first search item will show a package which will allow you to run a Python source file. Click on Install. That's it, you are ready to go. Let's first close these welcome windows. Hover over the title and click the X. Let's create a new file. Click on File, then, New File. We now have a window where we can write some code. Let's put our basic line of code in again, from the previous video. Print, open parenthesis, speech mark, hello, world, speech mark, close parenthesis. You will notice that the code is all white, but it does highlight the open and closed parenthesis for you. Let's tell the editor this is a Python code. Click on File. Then Save As. Save the file as helloworld.py. The extension .py is a Python file extension. You will notice that when you do this, the code changes color. Now you can just hit F5 and the program will run, straight from the editor, thanks to the installed package. A separate window will open with the code that has been executed. You can see the words, Hello, World. So, we have installed Python, and we have installed a developer environment. We are ready to start coding our Jarvis AI. Let's start a new file called jarvis.py. The first thing all programmers do is add comments to the program file, so they know what the program does. There are several ways of doing this in Python. We will use both to set up our program. At the top of our program, we want to state what the program does, who wrote it, and any other information. I then like to split up the code using comments, to make it easier to read. This is personal preference, and you can lay out your code as you wish. Remember, you may come back to written code, several months later, and have forgotten what it does. Therefore comments are incredibly important. To add a longer comment at the top of our code, you can use 3 speech marks, at the beginning of a comment, then 3 speech marks, at the end of our comment. Your text will go green to denote a piece of text that the program ignores. The second way of adding comments, is to type a hashtag. This turns everything, on that line only, into a comment. I like to add a note and then some dashes to separate my code, but this is just for me, and is again ignored by the program. Okay. That is it. We are ready to go. In the next video we will look at some basic programming tools you will need before you can run your first Jarvis code. Please do subscribe, hit the bell icon and like this video. Have a nice day. I will see you soon.